So I'm at here at Clay Martin's. I'm going to try to make this quick because the video does get pretty lengthy if I spend quite a bit of time. You can actually tell this is the area that Allstate's already approved the tarp, told the property to tarp it. So we're taking this slope because I believe they were already paying for this slope. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, this is the match. We haven't pulled the ITEL, but this is what we're doing is pulling the ITEL. I already know the shingle, it's in a state gray. This is a shingle that we had at the shop. I'm going to attach the photos with the sample board that shows it's in state gray. This is the product that's on the roof. You can obviously see the match. So like I said, I'm going to rush through this because otherwise it gets pretty lengthy. What we're going to do is we're going to simulate a repair, but in the same breath, what we're doing is we're pulling a shingle for ITEL. There's 2 courses of shingles here, or 2 courses of nails that I've got to pull. I got some here, and I got some here because the second bond, you know, when they nail a second shingle, you got nails here. So I'm going to pull this shingle, pull 2 courses of nails, insert this shingle, send it off to ITEL. As you can see, it's a roofing system. It's welded together. It does take a little bit of work. It's not just as easy as I'm using a flat bar, which that's what everybody uses to break these free. The roof has been deemed unrepairable, but per request of the adjuster, we're going this 2nd Avenue. We're doing this because I had a conversation with the adjuster about performing this repair. As you can see, it's already starting to delaminate here, just from my pry bar working its way underneath here. So I've actually already, just by lifting this nail right here, I've tore this shingle. So now we already have 2 damaged shingles, replace 1. Also, we got a problem to I'm going to make this quick because we don't even have to film this entire thing. If you've seen me breaking this shingle free, if you look underneath here, you see this? See all this matting that's torn just from breaking this shingle free? Because it's bonded here. You know, I was doing everything I could. We're going to replace this shingle, or no, sorry, we're taking out this shingle here. But if you look also, it pulls the complete mat away from where the tar strip is right here. We're not replacing this shingle. And it's literally pulled all the matting and asphalt and granules away from this baseline shingle. So this is a shingle that we're actually going to be replacing, send to ITEL, but in so doing, we've damaged this shingle and this shingle. We haven't even got close to finalizing the repair. Just lifting this, I've tore the nail free through the mat here, as you can see, causing further damage. Now we're at 3 shingles. I've got delamination here from just prying it up. I got delamination, midline delamination, a start of a crease. Like I said, I'm going to move real quickly because it gets really lengthy and monotonous to watch these, but it's, you know, you'll understand the outcome by watching the video. I already got midline delamination here. More consequential damage just because of the age and brittleness of the shingle. There's our shingle. You can obviously see I got this entire mat is just destroyed on the lower shingle. We also got mat transfer here. Any shingle we pull is going to have this exact same issue. Same thing here. So now if I remove this shingle is going to do it. On top of that, we have matting. I can feel it. Since this shingle's already destroyed, I'm gonna peel it back just so you can see this. I got chunks of the matting that's bonded to this shingle. I mean, right there is just consequential damage. So this is shingle we're gonna be sending to ITEL. I'll photograph it along with the ITEL report.